Hi, I'm Mandy with Bliss. I'm going to walk you through a quick facial massage using our Repair or Rejuvenate oil, which is for normal skin or, warmer weather, summer months. So you want to use maybe about half a dropper's worth, 6 drops, more than you would put just to moisturize your skin. I normally use maybe 2 to 4 drops to moisturize my skin, but you don't want to damage your skin with all the touching, essentially. So you want to make sure that you're using enough oil to keep that safe protection and slippage on your skin. Okay, so I always like to start with the neck. No. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So I always like to start with the neck to kind of just open up. One of the benefits of massage is that you are creating drainage and opening those lymph nodes. So you want to do both sides. So you want to bring everything down. Down here. You want to bring everything. There we go. You want to bring everything down. Okay. And then you always want to start the center of your face and move outwards and make sure you go all the way to the hairline. Once again, you want to completely drain. So kind of making like a heart shape. Just go along the jawline. And you often have a lot of tension in that jaw area. So this can be a nice one to help stretch that out a little bit. Do maybe 10 times, kind of like a medium pressure. And then you just slide up your face. And then this area is great to help release some sinuses as well. So just kind of dragging it out. Make sure you get under the cheekbones. Once again, always going to the hairline to make sure you're completely draining. And if you're having any sinus congestion, then definitely you can kind of hang out for about a minute right here, and then again right under the cheekbones. Now, when you go to your eyes, you want to use your ring finger because that's the lightest pressure, and go slow and gentle. Slow and gentle. Once again, going all the way out to the hairline. And you can do the same with the top portion of your eyes. And then the eyebrow areas. Forehead. And I like to just kind of stretch it all out. And then temples, relieve some tension.